guys, today I will be taking you through an unboxing of the Traveller's Notebook in the standard size in camel. I bought this one to use as a bullet journal for 2023. Now I've got a camel and I already have a camel Traveller's Notebook in the pocket size. Actually, I'll just show you here. I was going to get the brown in the standard size and I might still get it, but I just love the feeling of this Traveller's Notebook. In the camel. It's not exactly suede, but it's really super soft. I've also got the navy in the standard size, and it does feel different. I don't know if you can see, like this has got a bit more of a sheen. It's a bit harder, but I don't dislike that. It's just that I love this. I don't know if you can see how this is a little bit, it's got that kind of suede effect. But back to this, just some paper from the back. Comes with the green elastic, which is similar to the pocket. Not sure what I'll be going with. I see there's also this one that can be used, which is on the packaging. And here it is. It's a lot darker than my pocket, which, I mean, I don't mind. At least there's a point of difference. And it comes with a blank notebook. Just to see a difference in the colour. That's that. And the second part of this video will be setting it up with the 3 notebooks by Traveller's Company. And those notebooks, I've got the monthly free diary, the dot grid, and the regular grid. So I'll just open this up, probably get rid of this one, and I'll probably use it for scrapbooking or something like that at a later date. What I'll do is I'll set up the 3, and you'll see in the process what it looks like if you only set it up. So with the free diary, which I know I want to sit in the front, and I know that I want the grid in the middle, so that would be the next one up. And then I will want the dot grid in the back. And to hold all these together, you'll need these connecting rubber bands. And I'll just open this up. Then it's also got instructions on how to do this, so really helpful. And I will use the black elastic, I think. So what you want to do is grab the middle of these notebooks, the first and the third notebook. Pop the elastic through there. And then with the second notebook, you pop it in the middle. And that's it. All done. I also have a spare zipper pocket, so I might pop him in there too. Now we've got the pocket insert, the monthly insert, the grid, and also the dot grid. And now I'm all set for my bullet journal in 2023.